guys, at that time, Star Wars Rise of the Resistance.
One of the best rides ever.
Three. Go, keep.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Let's go! Ground crew, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
I just want to be sure. Recruits must have gone aboard now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff by 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nine Up. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Good to see you guys.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Are you sure? Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
To be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
We're going, you guys.
Tell what the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing.
Immediately for your interrogation. Get off, now.
Come.
Go. She's big.
It's just me.
Get off.
Enzo, go over there. Go over there. Turn around. Turn around.
Turned around.
So I can take a picture.
What color? Or what color?
Gray and orange.
Gray. So we're gray.
We're gray.
Hello. Hi. Hola.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
Oh no.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Makes sense though.
Yes. We're okay.
Alright, we're here with the resistance. Everybody else, come out and find your colors.
Go. Gray. Gray. Go. Come on.
Wait, you're still here? Order to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now give him one. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Holy cow!
If anyone's breaking a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just lost. Are you I'm getting down, up and bad. Up and real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck?
What a ride.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scan for his path beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.